In India's heartland, a silent crisis often unfolds after the harvest, the burning of agricultural waste. This practice pollutes our planet. But what if this waste could be transformed into something beneficial, something life-giving? This is the vision driving BETi Innovative Pvt.Ltd, a sustainable biotechnology startup based right here. Rooted in ingenious science, BETi tackles this challenge head-on. They begin by upcycling agricultural waste, the very stalks, husks, and other organic materials that would otherwise be burned. Instead, this waste becomes the nourishing substrate for a remarkable process: indoor mushroom farming. Traditional open field farming, BETi champions controlled indoor environments. This allows for optimal growing conditions, higher yields, and a reduced environmental footprint. And at the heart of this process is BETi's premium mushroom spawn. Using advanced tissue culture techniques, the biotech experts at BETi manufacture the high-yielding seeds of these incredible fungi. But their impact extends far beyond their lab. BETi empowers local farmers, providing them with the knowledge and the high-quality spawn they need to cultivate a bounty of nutritious mushrooms indoors, directly from this repurposed agri-waste. This not only creates sustainable livelihoods, but also offers a powerful alternative to the harmful practice of burning agriculture waste. Think about the convenience and nutritional power of dried and sun-exposed mushrooms, source of vitamin D, a versatile ingredient born from innovation and sustainable practices. Even more exciting is their innovative mushroom powder. Imagine a simple, natural way to boost the nutritional content of your everyday meals, thanks to mushrooms grown indoors on upcycled crop residue. These products, rich in essential vitamins and minerals, can be seamlessly incorporated into your family's diet, helping to combat malnutrition in a delicious and accessible way. From upcycling agricultural waste to cultivating nutritious mushrooms indoors, creating value-added products like mushroom powders and seasoning masalas, and even exploring biodegradable alternatives, BETi Innovative Pvt.Ltd is demonstrating how innovation and a deep respect for our environment can go hand in hand, offering a cleaner, healthier alternative to burning valuable resources. They are not just promoting mushroom growing indoors, they are cultivating a healthier future for our communities and our planet, where agricultural waste becomes a source of nourishment instead of pollution. The next time you think about mushrooms, remember the journey from waste to wellness, powered by BETi's innovative spirit and their commitment to a sustainable indoor approach.